outside and I walk right into the path of the lightning bolts. The sirens of an ambulance comes howling right corner of the sacred town, and no one blinks an eye, and I look into the sky in the path of the lightning bolts. Everyone I see just wants to walk with gritty teeth, but I just stand up by and I just wait for that something. Say you gotta walk the line and drink the water out the wine, and I can look the sound and I go path of the lightning bolts.
How's it going, folks? Well, you know, I'm back for another lesson, and that is Bugg, Lightning Bolt, classic song. Pretty hard song to play, mind, but easy chords, but obviously the strumming and the speed of it, that's the hardest thing about the song. So, the main three, well, all the three chords we want in this song are an E major, then we want a B sus4. So what a B sus4 is, it's like a B power chord, okay, but we're doing the 3rd finger one, and we're playing all the strings open. Well, the bottom 5 strings open, okay, it gives us this. So that is the 1st finger, A string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, D string, 4th fret, little finger, 4th fret, G string, okay, gives us this. And we're playing the bottom 4 strings open. And on the other chord is an A major chord. So it's... It's a really fast one, so with the strumming pattern, so it's down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. On the E, so we'll break that down really slowly. So down, down, up, down, up, B, down, down, up, A, down, down, up, E. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so that's all the 3 chords in the song, but obviously you've got to practice pretty slowly to get the strumming. That's the hardest thing, and when you get it up to speed, so down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Really quick chord changes there. Okay, so that's basically the verse, and then we've got the chorus bit, which goes A. Everyone I think just wants to walk with gritty teeth and I E major, down by and I waste my time, you know you got A again, well I knew. So a bit slower. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, E, up, down, down. Stand on by, wave my time, you know you gotta wake up some drink water, not the wine, and I just come by to the back of the lightning. Okay. And the other little thing in the song, if you want to do the little lead line as well, that's pretty easy. So, okay, so all that is, so it's the 9th fret with the 3rd finger on the D string. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're sliding from the 5th to the 7th fret on the G string. So again, so 9, 9, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9, 5, slide, 9, 9, 7. You can see that a bit of a close up. So. Okay. Okay, that's basically it. I hope you enjoy that one. Great song. Thanks for your continued support, and please check my original songs out under the name of 7th Rebel, and please like my page on Facebook, and I will see you for another lesson very soon.